Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. So, of course, many of you may be familiar with this YouTube battle going on between Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. So, of course, many of you may be familiar with this YouTube battle going on between T-Series and Pewdiepie. I want to give you the church perspective of this. But first, let me give you some background information. So I'm going to start with everyone's favorite Pewdiepie. So, Pewdiepie original name was Felix Arvid-Ulf Kellenberg, known online as Pewdiepie, is a Swedish YouTuber, comedian, and video game commentator, formerly best known for his Let's Play commentaries, and now mostly known for his comedy and vlogs. So, at this current stage in time, can't pause the recording and do what I need to do to fix it. We are having almost a catch between them and T-Series. Now let's take a look at T-Series. Since March 2006,
there's supposed to be a picture of T-Series right here,
but only started uploading videos in 2010 under this channel T-Series. Primarily music shows, videos, as well as film trailers. By 2017, it surpassed Pewdiepie to become the world's most viewed YouTube channel, but then Pewdiepie surpassed him again, and now currently has 53 billion views as of November 6, 2018. Subscribers to their YouTube channel has reached 69 million, making it the second most subscribed YouTube channel behind PewDiePie. Currently, it is the most subscribed Asian and non-English YouTube channel, reaching 50 million subscribers. The channel received a Ruby Play button on September 10th, 2018. It is also the second channel ever to hit 61 million subscribers. Beyond this, the channel earns an average of nearly 150,000 subscribers a day. Earning this recognition means it is predicted that they will surpass PewDiePie's subscriber count by mid-November 2018. So, let's take a look at the fairness of this. T-Series is a company, so they have a lot of help and assistance. PewDiePie is a 29-year-old man. He's a 29-year-old individual. No help, no assistance. So I feel like his spot is more earned, more deserved. But in another way, I'm looking at this from both angles now. We just have to say fair is fair. Whoever earns the number of subscribers that they're supposed to earn gets the spot. Because remember, it's not them, it's not the YouTuber creating an account to make subscribers. No, they don't buy subscribers either. It's not like Instagram where you can buy fake followers. YouTube, you have to have legitimate subscribers. So therefore, both of them has worked legitimately to get where they are. More so PewDiePie than T-Series, because T-Series is a company. So whoever they are, they have had assistance, they had help. So I'm just staying very neutral about this because there really is nowhere that's saying that a company can't have a certain amount of subscribers. Now, I do think it is completely unfair to measure a person the exact same way you measure a company, because obviously it's already a proven fact that a company is going to be bigger than a single person. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but eventually. So I think there should be a separate scale for that. But they don't have one. So there's nothing we can do but show our support, show our love, show our kindness, and whoever wins, we continue to show support for the person who didn't win, because there's no possible way to cheat. The people have to click the button. So therefore, the only thing that's not fair is you can't measure businesses and individuals equally because they're not equal. That's the point I'm trying to hammer in. So that's all I have to say. Have a good day and may God bless.